Dear students, let us begin today a chapter in English literature. Its name is the Narayanpur Incident and it is written by Shashi Deshpande. First of all, let us have a brief summary of this chapter. Then we will have question and answers. The Narayanpur incident set in 1942 during the Quit India movement. Quit India movement means Bharat Chodo Andolan. The Narayanpur incident presents an intriguing account of a turbulent situation that shook the peaceful town of Narayanpur. Summary of the book: Gandhiji warns the British to quit India on the 8th of August 1942. The very next day, Gandhiji and some of the prominent leaders are put in jail. The people of the country rise in protest, officially starting the Quit India movement of 1942. Babu and Manju are two school going kids who find themselves in a sticky situation with their schools closed down and their father in jail. They don't know how to deal with the situation. Their courageous brother Mohan goes underground, and soon the rest of the family moves to Narayanpur, a sleepy little hamlet which has been completely unaffected by the turbulence in the country. But Narayanpur is seething within, and it all erupts at once when a group of children dare to confront the police. Dear students, let us have the questions and answers of the lesson, the Narayanpur incident. Question number 1: why had students been marching? How was it an unusual march? March means here march past. Answer: a teacher is in Narayanpur was arrested during the Quit India movement. He was the follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Narayanpur was a small town. The teacher's wife, sons, daughter, and most of the youngsters believed in a different form of resistance to the British, so they all decided to show their protest against British rule. So they marched. It was unusual because they marched in complete silence. There was no slogans, no shouts, etc. It means it was a very peaceful march. Dear students, let us have question number 2. A police officer was seen talking to the student leaders. Can you guess what the officer had been talking to them? Answer is: really, the police officer has not expected this type of march. They might think that there were shouts, slogans, and people will violate. To control the situation, they might use their lottery, etc. So he came to students and asked about this. There was less work for them. Question number 3: Babu and Manju were a bit disappointed with the way students were marching. What was the reason? Answer is: Babu and Manju were a little bit disappointed because the march ended peacefully. There were no slogans, no shoutings, and no violence. Dear students, let us have the question number 4. What had the police expected about the way of protest? How did the student leaders manage the protest? Answer is: the police expected that there will be so much protest against the British. So many people, including a teacher, were arrested. The angry people might destroy the public property. The revolt people could do anything and disturb the peace of the people. But the intention of the students' leaders was completely different. They planned to do more things and give more troubles to police officers. If they get arrested easily, there was of no use. They had to awaken the people by distributing the copies of Mahatma's speech, etc. Here, Mahatma means Mahatma Gandhiji's speech. So they managed their march so silently and showed their protest against British rule non-violently. So non-violence was the method of Mahatma Gandhi, and these people they followed it very well. Question number 5. What was there in the mysterious parcel? What suspicion did the police have about that? Answer is there was a cyclo-styling machine in the mysterious parcel. The higher officer knew about the cyclo-style machine, and a number of copies of Mahatma Gandhi's speech were distributed in that town. They wanted to know where that machine was and who were the people doing all these things. So they talked to themselves that night they may attack their house with a search warrant. Question number 6. Why had Patil, the sub-inspector, come there? Who believed him? What was the result? Answer is Patil, the sub-inspector of police, was the friend of the teacher, so he wanted to help them. He came and explained the situation. It was a safer side if they handed over or gave that machine to him. They may escape from arrest. Amma believed him and handed over that machine to a police officer before the other police come. Question number 7. What do you think is the writer of the incident trying to impress upon the readers? Answer is this incident was most common during 1942. This gives bravery, truthfulness, patriotism, etc. It teaches a lesson to readers. If youngsters during their school time read this type of incidents, so they may cultivate these qualities in them. The writer's intention is to sow the good virtue. Good means here good qualities, virtue means qualities, seeds. It may give good fruits only. Dear students, now let us have multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Narayanpur incident was written by Shashi Deshpande, Mohan, TSP, Sri Ranga. Answer is Shashi Deshpande. Question number 2. The year 1942 was the line of non-cooperation, Swadeshi movement, Quit India movement, independence movement. Answer is Quit India movement. Question number 3. Third answer is DSP. And question number 4. The two boys holding aloft a picture of the space. Option number 1 Jawaharlal Nehru, second Mahatma, Bharat Mata, Goddess. Answer is Mahatma. Mahatma means here Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. The children like others rushed out of the rain, careless, headless, needless, fearless. Answer is heedless. Question number 6. They walked in complete with noise, without noise, silence, with slogans. Answer is silence. Question number 7. The students turned back and one of them shouted. Then space. Option number 1 Mahatma Gandhi ji ki jai. Next Quit India. Next Jai Jai. Next Jai Bharat Mata ki. So answer is Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. Question number 8. Unless you are said Amma. Gandhiji patriotic, Adolf Hitler, Indian. Answer is Gandhi ji. Question number 9. That was a notice served on the collector as dot dot British officer, authoritative, patriotic, representative. Answer is as representative. Question number 10. It is like dot dot of war, notice, declaration, friend, starting. Answer is a declaration. Question number 11. The boy dot dot in with a large newspaper covered parcel in his hands. Options are moved, walked, staggered, marched. Answer is staggered. Question number 12. The mysterious parcel which turned to be a machine. Swing, cyclostyling, secret, big. Answer is cyclostyling. So cyclostyling, this was a messaging machine. Question number 13. Your husband was my dot dot in a school, classmate, senior, friend, well-wisher. Answer is friend. Question number 14. Please, Patil Sahib. Amma said rather. Options are impatiently, calmly, shrewdly, patiently. Answer is impatiently. Impatiently. Okay. Next question number 15. Mohan burst out again. Amma, how can you trust? Dot dot question mark. Options are person, neighbor, policeman, friend. Answer is policeman. Question number 16. Come in, Amma. Dot dot to the man. Options are inviting, looking, calling, beckoned. Answer is beckoned. Beckoned means also called. Question number 17. Okay, Ma, Mohan said, and space into puja room. First option went, next ducked, stepped, run. Answer is ducked. Question number 18. No need for Mohan to dot dot. It is the police. Option number 1. Announce, next state, next said, finally feared. Answer is announce. Match the following A and B. Sacred. Sacred, C part is correct. Crestfallen, F part is correct. Dejected. Third, fizz, A part is means become weak. Fourth, Patil, B, teacher's friend. Fifth, Suman, D, Mohan's friend. Sixth, Manju, E, here Mohan's sister. Give one word for the following. Question 1. Walk or move unsteadily. Answer is stagger. Question number 2. Condition of being lost in dreamy, pleasant thoughts. Answer reverie. Question number 3. Tremble slightly or vibrate. Answer is quiver. Question number 4. Bum or shine unsteadily. Here burn must be. So answer is flicker. Question number 5. Showing sound, judgment and common sense. Answer is shrewdly. Question number 6. Pull or drag roughly and with much effort. Answer is lug, L-U-G. So these are the questions and answers. Dear students, hope so that all of you have got it. Thank you very much.